Roadmap to become a business analyst. What does a business analyst do? A business analyst helps organizations solve problems by understanding business needs and turning them into practical solutions. The bridge role: they act as a bridge between business teams and technical teams, ensuring that both sides clearly understand the goals. Start with the basics to begin. You need to learn how to gather requirements, understand stakeholders, and analyze business processes. Understand the process. This means learning techniques like SWOT analysis, gap analysis, and creating user stories that define what needs to be built. Visualize ideas clearly. Next, you'll learn to represent ideas visually using flowcharts, diagrams, and simple models that make complex processes easy to understand. Work with data. A business analyst also works with data, using tools like Excel and SQL to analyze information and support decision-making. Communicate effectively. Strong communication is essential, as you'll need to document requirements clearly and conduct meetings with stakeholders. Use the right tools. You'll also use tools like Jira, Confluence, and Power BI to manage tasks, track progress, and present insights. Build real experience to grow. Start working on case studies and projects that show how you solve real business problems. Be ready for challenges. You often deal with unclear requirements and changing expectations, so adaptability is key. Think like an analyst. Success comes from analytical thinking, attention to detail, and the ability to ask the right questions. Turn problems into solutions. Start your journey today and become a business analyst who helps businesses grow through better decisions.